Hi. So, yeah, so when you 3D print these things, of course, 3D printing a 1 centimeter wall is way too thick. It's just something that's just not done. And so for the bolts on the inside, what you can do to make that fairly logical. I'm not sure how you're going to do that actually. Like for 3D printing, this is something you just don't do. What you did, and you notice that until after the fact, of course. But yeah, this design that you have, where you have these bolts going through here like this, that wouldn't work because with the 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter wall, it's really hard to fit inside there. You know what you can do? So instead of using bolts, you can actually just make it plastic. The plastic doesn't hold very well, though. That's the other thing about these things, is that when you screw into plastic, you can only do that a few times before it's just wasted. But I guess it's, won't be done that many times. Yeah, so make these nuts right here. This one and this one, make that a nut. And then what you can do for these is... is just remove all the material between the bolts. So you would just trim out all of the area. I'm not sure if these parts are, if I can hide this. Hide. There we go. Alright. And so just remove this material like through here. So like that, don't need it. And then all. So you just have a little rectangle of material. That's okay for those. And then, as I was saying, for where we mount the cameras need to be mounted on the metals. Put metal nuts inside there, and then or holders for the metal nuts, and that should be just fine. And thank you.